In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Bybit to Binance. First, we'll grab your Binance deposit address. Open the Binance app, log in, and go to Wallet, then Deposit, then Crypto. Choose the coin you want to move, like USDT, BTC, or ETH. Then select the network you'll use, for example TRC20, ERC20, BSC, or BTC. Binance will generate a deposit address and a QR code. Tap Copy to save the address. Now switch to the Bybit app. Go to Assets, then Spot or Funds. Find that same coin and tap Withdraw. In the address field, paste the Binance deposit address, then choose the exact same network you selected on Binance. Enter how much you want to send, then review the withdrawal fee and final amount. Double-check 3 things: same coin, same network, correct address. When everything looks right, tap Confirm and complete any 2 FA/email/SBMS checks. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your crypto will show up in your Binance wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.